My name is Zhiyong. I'm from USDA Forest Service, and this is the first time to join this conference. I'm so grateful that to have this opportunity to share my research programs with other folks. So this is actually is a learning process for me to learn the other research programs, which is very, very beneficial for me. And I already contacted several people, and they are very interested about my project. So, well, I really enjoy to be here. It's a wonderful weather, nice people, a very good conference. So I really appreciate, and the conference organizer provided the opportunity for me. So thank you very much.